Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today I'm going to show you another one of the beautiful blocks that we have in Tenlee's puzzle. The block actually is located down here in the corner. And one of the interesting things about this block, at first glance, it looks like all half square triangles and flying geese. That is misleading on this particular one. When it is put together, yes, it'll have that look, but it is not the techniques that we have been using for the other blocks. The first section I'm going to show you is actually an hourglass, and I'm using just the technique in which we cut our triangles, place them in the position that we want, and then we're going to sew them together. And this easiest way to sew them together is to go ahead and line them up from center out. Do it as chain piecing, so that keeps it very simple and very quick. The other two, again, except this time I'm going to sew from the center out. And as you can see, they are hooked together, and they are hooked in the order that they're going to be sewn next. Normally I would go and press that seam, but a lot of times when I do this method, I just do kind of a simple finger press, line up my center, pinch it together. I hold it real tight. If you can't hold it, you can always slip a pin in there to hold it nice and tight as you're lining it up. So cross the other direction, then I line up the other side, get it nice and straight, cross my intersection, then I have it sewn together, and from the wrong side, now I can press it based on the direction those seams are going, and then the center one can go either direction. Once you have it pressed, trim away your dog ears. And then on this particular piece, we need to put the corner on our hourglass. As you can see over here, I have my other hourglasses are made. Here's the corner piece. This one will go right here. And then this one will go here on the end. So then you just line that up and press it. Now as you can see on here, we are going to finish off our sewing by sewing all the parts at a diagonal. So now we need to do the opposite side of the big triangle. Now this one is kind of a mirror image of the other corner. So to get it started, we start similar as we just did our hourglass. So the two together, add our large triangle to make a square. Get it lined up nice. And then we'll press, and this one too will have a few dog ears that we will trim away. Then as we go, we'll want to set our larger triangle. So this one lines up on the side. Sometimes it doesn't, the feed dogs don't always grab. Ideally every time. So when that happens, you just pause, reset it, and it'll sew. I'm going to press that one after I get the other side on. So I do my other one. And once again, just, there we go. Now this I'm going to press. I'm going to press them to the outside, away. And then the last step is to set our triangle. And if you remember from a setting before, we just kind of do a little press, right sides together. That marks our center. This one we'll want wrong sides together. Just a little press, cup them together, slip a pin in as needed, and you can see it overextends both sides just where we want it. That gives us our seam allowance after we get this sewn on. And today is my day for getting a slow start. Okay, we're going to pull a pin, keep going. Start right here in this little V, and then we'll end over in this V. Let's go ahead and press it. Again, little dog ears. Okay, this is our other corner, and I want to show that this is the mirror image. So when you put these together, it might be a little hard to see, but my larger triangle is sitting here and here. And then the little one is here and here. So they are a mirror image of each other. So this one will go on the other side, and then sew your center parts all together, and then sew your 3 sections together, and that will complete your block. So I hope you like our block. Thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction. Check out our thank you button and the information at the bottom of the video to show you what we have available in the store. And